that's what you know. They're so anxious, they're just like Janmo, but then you gotta be proud of that. You know, it's hard to find the Hawaiian dancers nowadays, hula dancers who are committed to dancing and perpetuating the hula. So I want to give a big hand and shout out to all these dancers tonight. Because we're out there, no more games. Whoever teaches themselves, me in the mirror. You did it wrong, do it again. Okay, we're going to go back ancient Smokai because I don't know what we're going to do. So we're going to tell this good fun story. It's called Kiaʻi, and it's about this big fish that comes and swallows a boy whose father wanted him so desperately to be a great kahuna of kahana. And so he prayed to his akua to come, Kane and Kanaloa, but they never came. And so this great big whale came, and the boy was swimming, and the whale ended up swallowing up the keiki and swimming to a distant land of Kahiki. And everybody started crying and and what we gonna do, we missed the keiki. And then one day the whale came back up and went, bring the keiki back, and he never mocked it. But what happened was, the whale was actually the form of the akua, who took the keiki, went and trained him, and became a great kahuna in the lands of Kuahialani. And then he had returned back to Oahu, to the lands of Kahana, and continued on the works of his dad as a server of akua. So we call this dance Kiaʻi o ke kai.
Hai, Kiaʻi o ke kai.
Lamakū, kana o, malama i ke ko'ono, Lamakū i ke ko'o, malama i ke ko'ono, ha'ina me tuanai, Kiaʻi o ke kai, ha'ina me tuanai, Kiaʻi o ke kai, he ala, he ala, he ala, he ala.
Inu ano, Kiaʻi.